In this video, we will be discussing reading and writing ratio. Now, what is a ratio? A ratio is a pair of numbers that expresses a rate or a comparison. It is an expression that compares two quantities. It may be written in number phrase, fraction form, or column form. Now, I want you to take particular attention to rate because it says that ratio is a pair of numbers that expresses a rate. Now, what is a rate? A rate is actually this definition. It is an expression that compares two numbers. So let's have an example for you to further understand it. Roselle can read three storybooks in one day. Mary Grace can read two storybooks in a day. If you look at this example, there are two quantities that are being described or compared here. First is the storybooks, and the other one is day. Storybooks and day are being compared in terms of how fast Roselle can read. Next, in the example, Mary Grace can read two storybooks in a day. It's still the same quantities that are being described. We have here the storybooks, we have here day. So this example, when you say, sorry, I just say this. So this means that this statement shows the rate. And this is where the ratio will come. Okay? Let's have further example. In Mrs. Garcia's class, there are 22 boys and 14 girls. So we have 22 boys and 14 girls. Question is, what is the ratio of boys to girls? So this means we are asked to compare the number of boys to the number of girls, and that is the rate. So the ratio of boys to girls can be written in three ways: number form, fraction form, and column form. So how do we write it in number form? We simply write the numerical quantity found in our example. Of course, since it says boys to girls, boys should come first in terms of writing. Therefore, the ratio is, you put it in number form. If you put it in number form, the ratio of boys to girls is 22 boys is to 14 girls. If you want to put it in fraction form, then you simply do a fraction line. The one in the numerator is the numerical quantity of the boys, and the one in the denominator is the numerical quantity of the girls. If you want to express it in column form, then you have to use the column punctuation mark. Therefore, we start first again with the boys, write the column, and then 14. So this is all read as 22 boys is to 14 girls. So let's now try some more examples. Let's have an exercise. Let us have an example. For this exercise, we will write the ratios in number phrase, the fraction form, and in part form. So for this number, 18 marbles is to 24 jackstone. This is already in the number phrase form. It's already in the number phrase form, so I don't need to write it anymore. So this is the number phrase. Let's put it in fraction form. That means it's 18 is to 24. And in column form, it is 18 is to let's have 8 squares. Um, to four triangles. And put this one into a number phrase because this is already the number phrase. Or we can put 18 and 24 and 8 and 4 into words. So if I multiply this one, I can write 2 marbles is 2 when, sorry, I have to spell it out. It's to 24 jackstones. So similarly, we can do the same here for the number phrase. It's 8 squares is 2 for triangles. For the fraction form, it's 8 over 4. For column form, it's 8 and then column form. So this is how we read and write ratios.